let's talk about the truth of the journey. Let's really delve into the journey. And before we get really deep, the depths of what this journey is, let's get the pink fluffy stuff out of the way first. The chemistry between you and your divine counterpart will be a nectar, an essence that you have never smelt, tasted like it in your life. So yes, tick, the chemistry is off the scale. The love that you feel is off the scale. The love, your heart feels like it is exploding into the biggest ocean. The energy and the sexual energy that is rising now is a sexual energy you have never ever felt before. It feels like it is penetrating every single part of every single cell of your body. The way that you connect to this person, where you can talk and share and just want to be in each other's company, is off the scale. You are sharing things that you didn't even know were within you. Now, that's the pink fluffy stuff. That's just the given. Let's go deeper, because only looking at this journey from that level, which most AI information that is really beautifully done now, but it keeps you there. That keeping you there will keep you like you've got the golden carrot just in front of you the whole time. We are not about teasing you with golden carrots. Let's go surface level. This journey is a journey of an awakening. It awakens your original soul's blueprint. The Kundalini that gets activated is not just there so you can look like a serpent laying with linen curtains fluffing in the wind, which is normally how we see Kundalini. A lot of the time people come to me and go, Kat, I don't know if I've had a Kundalini, because I've looked up Kundalini and that's not what I'm going through. And a lot of that information, yes, that can happen, but a lot of the time Kundalini does not work like that. That is in a set area, and really a lot of the time it is forced Kundalini. I never, ever believe that Kundalini should be forced. Kundalini is your life force frequency. It's within you already. This journey and the Kundalini activates when the Kundalini is ready, when your Shakti is ready to activate. So forcing something, you're never going to get the true essence when it is forced. Kundalini is your life force frequency. When Shakti awakens, the Kundalini energy, it will dissipate. It will be demolition central. Your whole world you will question everything in your world. When she awakens, she is no longer taking any prisoners. She is no longer flip-flopping around. She is no longer maybe. She is no longer, I'm not sure. When she awakens, you know she's awoken. Because suddenly, base root chakra, where she awakens from, all your safety, all your security now is slipping through your fingers. It's like your safety and security are grains of sand. Your purpose, what you're here for, you will question everything in your world. Everything. So your safety, security, boom, is being blown apart. What you're here for, what you're here to do, you will now start questioning. Your emotions, you will feel your emotions being triggered. Your nervous system will be so sensitive now, and you will be constantly trying to regulate your nervous system, but it will feel so tender and so big. Trying to regulate that nervous system will feel like you're trying to climb Mount Everest, because the mind and ego now is really activated, because you are now shifting from a mind and ego way of living into a soul-led way of living. That is a completely different energy and frequency. So it completely discombobulates the whole nervous system. Discombobulate is one of my favorite words. It completely discombobulates the whole nervous system. The heart chakra, well, the heart chakra gets activated, as you know, in that way that you just want to love, save, protect, rescue the divine masculine at the deepest level. But that heart chakra, divine feminine, is for you. Is about you learning how to bring it back to self. And most divine feminines, this is one of the hardest things they struggle with, bringing it back into self. The throat chakra, you speaking your words, your wisdom, standing in your truth, standing in your power, fully embodying that priestess, that sovereign energy. And once that third eye gets activated, well, all those spiritual gifts. But first of all, you will feel that telepathy. You will know what divine masculine is thinking and feeling. They can say one thing and try and put the mask on, but you can feel it. You know it. And it will feel like a lie as well. And you'll be like, but you're lying. But because you are feeling, you can walk into a room and suddenly your clairs are so activated. How you sense the room, how you feel, what people are thinking and feeling, you will just know. And then that connection to divine, to your God essence frequency, to Sophia. This is a journey back to your true self. And your divine masculine is only an outer reflection of you. They are here to guide you. They are your biggest spiritual guide on this journey. And you, along with your divine counterpart, because remember, you're one energetic system. You're working as a tandem energy. It's one energy. As you shift, and if you drop into that lower mind and ego of wanting, needing, desiring, they will pull away. They will show you. They are your biggest spiritual guide. And for anybody who goes, well, I do want, I do need, why can't I desire? Because this is a deep spiritual journey. If you want desire, go and get a soulmate. A soulmate you can desire. A soulmate you can want. A soulmate you can have all that energy with. A twin flame, this is one energetic system, and they are guiding you to your highest truth, to see your truest soul wisdom. And they will always guide you. Whenever you feel triggered, they are triggering you into a higher state of frequency. So instead of seeing what they are doing to you, instead going, what is this showing me? So changing that terminology, instead of going, they're doing this, go, well, what is this showing me? How can I transcend into that higher frequency, transcending the ego into that soul state, that one state? My work is not pink and fluffy. We go all the way deep. If you need more help and support, my website is there. It's the 3 W's, catsacredsoul.com. Today we are live. Come along and join us as we delve in deep. There's over 50 hours of content for you to watch instantly to support you on this journey. So there's no endless searching or looping. Much love.